From fluctuating hormones to nutrient loss during menstruation and pregnancy, women have unique nutritional needs. The right foods can support bone health, hormonal balance, skin glow, fertility, and emotional wellness. Women's bodies go through so many phases, from puberty to pregnancy, periods to menopause. But did you know that the right foods can support your hormones, boost energy, improve mood, and even prevent long-term health issues? Today, let's explore 10 must-have foods every woman should include in her daily diet. Let's dive in. Top 10 foods every woman should eat. 1. Flax seeds. They are rich in lignans, which potentially offer various health benefits like antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. They are natural plant estrogens. They help balance hormones, support breast health, and ease premenstrual symptoms. How to eat. 1 to 2 teaspoons ground flax daily in smoothies, curd, or warm water. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein with vitamin B12, choline, and iron, which are great for brain function, energy, and healthy hair. Eggs are versatile and nourishing. It can be included in diet as boiled, scrambled, or in curries. 3. Legumes. Like lentils, chickpeas and beans are full of iron, zinc, folate, and fiber. These nutrients are especially essential for women who menstruate or are planning pregnancy. So remember to add a bowl of dal chana or rajma to your meals every day. 4. Leafy greens such as spinach, drumstick leaves, and amaranth are loaded with calcium, magnesium, and iron. These are perfect for bone health, fighting anemia, and balancing hormones. Try to include greens in smoothies or soups at least 3 to 4 times a week. 5. Berries like gooseberry, strawberry, and blueberry are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. They support skin, immunity, and collagen production. Enjoy them fresh or dried in smoothies or even as a mid-morning snack. 6. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of healthy fats, magnesium, and vitamin E. They are beneficial for your mood, skin, hair, and even menstrual comfort. Soak almonds overnight and have them in the morning, munch on walnuts, or sprinkle seeds on your breakfast bowls. 7. Yogurt and other probiotic foods are packed with calcium and probiotics. They support gut health, boost immunity, and help prevent yeast infections. Opt for plain homemade curd or probiotic-rich buttermilk daily. 8. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, support brain health, and regulate hormones. For vegetarians, flax seeds and chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and serve the same purpose. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish a week or include flax seeds or chia seeds in your daily diet if you're vegetarian. 9. Sweet potatoes. They are high in vitamin A and complex carbs which help with fertility, hormone regulation, and blood sugar control. Boil, roast, or steam for a perfect healthy snack or a side dish. 10. Ragi or finger millet. It is super rich in iron and calcium that is especially important for menstruating women, pregnant mothers, and menopausal women. Prepare a Ragi dosa, porridge, or laddus for a healthy breakfast, lunch, or snack. Bonus tips. 1. Stay hydrated, especially before and during periods. 2. Reduce processed sugar since it messes with your hormones. 3. Include herbal teas like tulsi, ginger, or spearmint for hormonal support. 4. Don't skip meals, because balanced meals equal balanced hormones. So ladies, remember, food is not just fuel, it's your daily self-care. These 10 foods can help you feel more energized, balanced, and vibrant from the inside out. Which of these do you already eat? And which will you try adding to your plate this week? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more women's wellness tips, and share with your mom, sister, or bestie. Thank you for watching.